Hello traders, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to register yourself into the Quotex platform, okay? And that's the best trading platform all over the world right now. This is no joke. I'm serious about this. I'm not trying to promote Cortex, okay? All I'm interested in is making money, trading and making money. Cortex is actually very secured. I have one-on-one contact with some of their admins, and I actually chat with one of them a lot. His name is Alex, okay, and he has been very, very, very helpful. If you have deposit issue, withdrawal issues, Alex is here to assist all members of my channel to see that they don't have any problems. Okay, so with Cortex I have a lot of rest of mind compared to Olim Trade. So like I said, Quotex is the best. You can find Quotex in a lot of developed countries, unlike Olim Trade, where you can't find them in a lot of developed countries. You cannot trade on Olim Trade platform on you in Canada, in Australia, but Quotex is in all of those countries. Okay, so even if you are in any part of the world or you want to relocate, you can still be trading on your Quotex platform comfortably. So I love Quotex a lot. So for you to get started, I want you to understand that there are also manipulations on all trading platforms. So for you to avoid such manipulation, that's why I have what we call this safe trading link. And this link was actually given to me by the Cortex admins. And what this link does for you is that it will save you from manipulations whenever you take trades. Not that you will not experience any, you will definitely experience manipulation, but compared to other people, you have less of it. Okay, less manipulation. Then secondly, with this link, there are two codes I will give you. Okay, so whenever you make deposit, you get 50% bonus, and one will give you 40% bonus depending on the amount you want to deposit. Okay, whenever you want to start trading live. And I also want to tell you that in this channel, I will never encourage you to go live immediately. Okay, I'll prefer you practice and you build your confidence, and the only way you can do that is for you to practice on the demo account, and I have strategy videos on ground to help you achieve that. Okay, so don't be in a hurry to make deposit, and the strategy works. All right, so I know you're going to be making a lot of money with my strategy. So the first thing you want to do is you click on this link to register. Okay, so it's going to take you straight to the registration portal. Then you enter your email address here, fill in your password. Then here you select your currency, which is USD. Then you confirm by clicking on that, checking that box here. Then you click on register to register. So after you're done with your registration, you need to go to the Play Store, okay, or App Store. If you are using iPhones, you go to App Store. If you are using Android phone, you go to Play Store. Then mind you, once you are done with your registration, you're going to get an email for verification of your account. All right, but if you don't get the email for verification of your account, I'll show you where you can actually do the verification manually. Okay, so once you go to your Play Store, for Android users, just type in Cortex, okay, like this, and search, and you'll find it. So to search for the Cortex app on the iOS device or iPhones that you have, the first thing you must do is to make sure the location of your phone is set to Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria, and any country that you're in, make sure the location of your phone is set to that country. All right, because if you don't set it to your country, you might not find the app. So to set your phone's location to your present country, for me, I'm in Nigeria, you need to go and watch YouTube on how to change your phone's location for that. There are lots of videos on YouTube on that, so you can watch it and learn how it is done. So once you change your phone location, the next thing you want to do is to come here and type in Cortex. Okay, so you search and you'll find it. So this first one is the app you're looking for, Quotex app. But notice that if you type Quotex app right now, you will not find it. It's not going to come up. So you don't need to add the app. Just type in only Quotex and you're going to find it. And please note that Quotex usually change their apps most of the time. I don't know why they change their apps on the iOS device. It doesn't happen on Android phones, okay? It only happens on iOS device. Like every month or every 2 months, you discover that the app is no longer on the App Store. Although you can still make use of the app that you've downloaded. You can see, let me show you. I have several apps here. Cortex game, that's what this is called. Cortex Cortex Pro. Basically, they usually change their apps regularly. So if you cannot find the app as far as you follow the first instruction of changing your country's location for your phone, then all you have to do is send a message into the channel or the comment section, and once I see it, I'm going to come back to search for the latest app and let you know about it. Okay, you open the app, then log in. Okay, so I'm going to log in right now to show you what the interface looks like. Okay, I just logged into my account right now. So this is what the Quotex interface looks like. Okay, if you come to this area here where you see can you see where that place I light down, just down like a human figure? Click on it. This is what your account section looks like once you click on this button. All right, over here you will see your identity information, and below it you're going to see your email address. You will see your account ID, that's your Cortex ID, and your nickname also refers to your account ID. Okay, over here you will see not verified on your own device. If this is the first time you're opening a Quotex account, mine is verified, and that's why you can see this green badge there with the verified written in front of it. Now for yours to have this green badge and have it verified, all you have to do is to verify both your email address and your documents. Now you have your name and other details right here, your addresses. You need to make sure the name you are going to enter, okay, first name, last name, matches with the same name that you have in your documents. If the names are different, your documentation would not be accepted, so you will not be verified. So you only need your first name and last name. You don't need to add any middle name to this. All right, so below it is where we have the document verification. Okay, and you can see your documents have been checked. Now your identity is verified, so I have a verified account already. So I'm going to explain how to get your email verified and also get your documents verified. So to get your email address verified, all you have to do is now click on the verify button, and Cortex to send an email to the email address you've provided. So you go to your email box, select the Cortex email, and click on the link there to verify your email address. Okay, now there are times you click on the link and your account will not still be verified. So this is what you do to solve that problem. Go to the default browser of your phone or your PC. And when I say default browser, I'm talking about anytime you click on a link on your phone or on your PC, which browser pops up immediately. Whichever browser always pops up whenever you click on a link on your device, on your PC, that is your default browser. Okay, so you go to your default browser and log into your Quotex account on that browser. So once you have logged in, go back to the email you received, click on the link, and your account will be automatically opened on that default browser and log you in automatically. So your account will be verified immediately you do that. So that is another way of getting your account verified. Once you follow this process and you notice that your email address has not been verified, that is not still verified here as you are seeing it, all you just have to do is restart your device. And after restarting, you'll see verified right here. That is how you verify your email address. Okay, so how do you verify your document on this platform? You see, this is also very easy. Now there are specific documents you need to provide to Quotex for them to verify your account. So the first one is your NIN card. Okay, and you can easily download your NIN card on the NIA website. All right, so you go to the website, you download. I think it's about 1,000 or 1,500 naira for you to download it. And please, it has to be colored. Whatever you're using that for your verification has to be colored. So you can cut it into a card size, okay, the front and back, then laminate it. I'm going to show you an example of what I mean right now. So here's an example of what my own NIN card looks like. So I laminated it and then I snapped it on my hand. Please take note of that. You can see my hand behind, and then forwarded it to the Quotex platform for verification. So this is one way to get it done using your NIN card. So you can also make use of your international passport for your verification process. And for your international passport, you need to snap both sides of the front page, okay, on your hand. Cortex does not like scanned document because they believe scanned document can be forged. So they want you to snap it on your hand. If the document looks scanned, your document will not be verified, it will not be accepted. All right, so you need to follow this instruction. So you can use your driver's license as well to do your verification. You snap it on your hands, and I think you can use voter's card, but it's not guaranteed. But you can also use voter's card if you have it, but like I said, it is not guaranteed. All right, so those are the 4 different documents you can use, and it has to be very clear to the eyes. Okay, so this is how your account will be verified with ease and without any issues. So over here, down here where you see time zone, the one I circled in yellow, your time zone should be UTC plus 0100. Okay, that is what your time zone should be. Okay, and that will give you the exact time where we currently are in Nigeria. When you click on it, I'm not sure you're going to see Nigeria on this time zone, but what you should look out for, no matter what the country you see there, just make sure you are looking out for UTC plus 0100. All right, so this is all you need to know about your account and your account verification. And please note that it is very, very important for your account to be verified like this before you make any kind of deposit into your trading account. All right, because if you do not verify your account and you make a deposit, you will not be able to make the withdrawals until your accounts are verified. But there are times or situations where we get promo codes, okay, or deposit bonuses for us to, make deposits and have more funds in our account. In such a situation, some people actually make deposits so that they don't miss out on the promo code. Do you understand? So anybody who will want to go through that process must ensure that he or she has the right document for verifications. Okay, so that whenever you want to do your verification, you will not have any issues even after you've made your deposits. And I hope you understand that. So I know of a lot of people who have the right information, they made their deposit even before they did their verification. Please note that your account verification will take between 3 days and 5 days. Please take note of that. And there are times you submit your document for verification and it will take just less than 24 hours for your account to be verified. But in most cases, when they have a lot of account verifications to accept or go through, it could take up to 3 days and at times even 5 days. That is minus Sundays and Saturdays. Do you understand? Sundays and Saturdays are not included in the days for verification. All right, so please take note of that. Whenever you do your verification and it's not verified on time, please be patient until you get an email from them. And as far as it's within the space of that 5 days, then you don't have any issues. Trust me, your account will be verified as far as you give the accurate document like I have explained earlier. So in the next video, you'll be learning about how to navigate all these things you are seeing here. Okay, everything that you're seeing, I'm going to explain them to you in details because they'll really help you understand how to navigate this platform and also how to take trades to the maximum. All right, so watch the videos that are arranged under this video serially, because after watching this video, if you look down, you'll see videos that are arranged serially. Please watch all those videos accordingly. Do not jump anyone so that you don't miss out on important information that will help you. Okay, so continue. After watching this video, go to the next video to learn about the interface. So take care and see you in the next video. Bye for now. Cheers.